Hi y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So, how are y'all doing? I have a PR unboxing from Paint Some Way. Thank you to Paint Some Way for sending me these items to unbox on my channel. These are some diamond paintings, y'all. I've been having them sit here for quite some time, you know, because of everything. But I'm going to show y'all what I got. If I can get these open. I'm sorry for the noise. It is so loud. This one is a square drill, and it has 30 colors, and I don't normally order a square drill, but I thought I would just get something different. And yeah, and I thought it was pretty for springtime. I thought it was real pretty. I don't know if I'm gonna work on this or not. I haven't been working on many, as y'all know right now, but I prefer round, but I did get a square just to see, being that it's not so big. It is a 30 by 30 centimeter. The rendering on it is pretty good. It's not pixelated like I thought it would be. I like it. It's pretty, has pretty colors. Of course, it has my favorite colors, pink in it, of course. But it's springtime. A lot of springtime colors. The whole photo is springtime. So, yeah, I thought I would just choose this one. Let me check. The canvas is soft. I'm going to check the sticky. I'm pretty sure it's good. Stickiness on it is good. And like I said, there's a, they have, I lost my train of thought. All the colors and the DMC codes, it does have DMC codes, yes. On the left bottom and the right top. Is that right? Yeah. Right top, left bottom. Usually it's the other way around, but. And that's the photo of it. Y'all, I'm all lost for words. I haven't done one of these in so long. These are the drills for it. They are square. They come in baggies. It also comes with a toolkit. I'm going to show y'all in a second. Colors are pretty. Of course, they have blues, yellows, light pinks, dark pinks, light blues, like these. Some blacks, purple. Or is it? Yeah, it's purple. I don't know. Oh, yeah, I see some of those. Like right here. It looks pink, but it's really like purple. So, yeah, like I said, the thumbnail, that's what it'll look like when it's complete. I mean, that's the photo of it, the thumbnail. It's really pretty. I really like it, y'all. And it does come with a toolkit, a plate of wax, a boat, a pin, some tweezers because it's square, a little squishy, a one placer. Y'all know the drill. Let's order. And this one was, did I have a price? Hold on. Ugh. Yeah, this one was $6.99 on their website, on Paint Some Way's website. I'm gonna link these in the description portion of this video, so you guys can go check them out down below. This one's another springtime one. Of course, it came with a toolkit. It is a round drill. This one's a round drill. This one's so cute. I found it was so cute. It's a 30 by 40 centimeter. It has 20 colors. 20 colors and the DMC codes as well. And look at this one, how pretty. I thought it was so cute. I love the colors. It's springtime to me. It's flowers, daisies. I don't know what this is. I'm not that familiar with flowers. Pretty butterflies. The drill field is clear. As you could see, this is a round drill. So, like I said, it's a round drill. Drill field is clear. It's so pretty. I love it. The thumbnail. See if it can focus. Focus, focus. I might have a little bit of glare, I'm sorry. And let's see the stickiness. Great. Great, great, great. And these are the drill colors. They do come in little zip baggies. So it's easy to pull from the baggies. You don't have to kit them up if you don't want to. Love these colors. It's not like pinks and purples and stuff, but it's still pretty colors. I think it's still gonna come out good. Yeah. Like I said, it has 20 colors, so that's not too bad. Y'all, I need to start doing some of these. I've been working on my big ones. So, yeah. I haven't been working that much lately, but when I do work on them, it's the big ones. So, I'm trying to get some of those whips done. So, these are the two from Paint Some Way. Oops, this one's upside down. Y'all go check them out. They have many more items, and they have so many, y'all. So many diamond paintings. They have other stuff on their website too. So I'm gonna link these two, like I said, in the description portion of this video. And thank y'all for watching. I really appreciate it. And till next time, bye y'all.